My name is John Gibbons. I'm a co-founder of Fleet Intellectual Property Law, and I'm here to talk about some considerations on whether to file a state trademark registration or a federal trademark registration. Because we're in Florida, I'm going to use Florida as an example for the state trademark registration. What's the scope of protection? Your scope of protection for state is the state. Federal, it's all states plus U.S. territories. Federal has a comprehensive search. They look at phonemes, they look at other non-trademark database sources and things like that. In state, it's much more simple, straightforward, cursory, if you will. What considerations for your clients will help you decide what to file, state or federal? It's where your clients are coming from. If they're regional, it's probably state. If you're a barbershop, a salon, a restaurant, that's more state-oriented. If you're a franchisee, that's more federal. If you're selling on the internet across state lines or selling goods and services across state lines or internationally, that becomes federal. Federal, you can reserve your mark before you actually use it. So you have something called an intent to use filing. There's an additional fee to convert it to use, which you ultimately have to do. State, you have to be using it to file. Federal, you're allowed to register your trademark with the customs agency to stop goods coming in that are using brands that you own. State, you can't do that. So federal, you're able to register with custom agencies. State, you can't do that. Federal, you can file a cause of action in courts. You can sue in federal courts. State, you really can't use federal courts unless there's some cause of action that brings you into federal court, or you have diversity between the defendant and the plaintiff. Federal can be used for subsequent foreign filing. That's not true with a state application. You can't go foreign filing from the state. Filing fee, state of Florida is about $87.50. For federal, it is $250 to $350. Of course, all these fees are subject to change. I hope this video on some considerations of state trademark filing versus federal trademark filing are helpful. Of course, if you have questions, look us up on the website. We offer free initial consultation. Thank you.